Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Yesterday, we talked about Bitcoin's dip following the jobs report. Today, we're diving deep into what's next for Bitcoin, how low it might go, and updating you on our live trade. Everything dumped. NASDAQ dropped 2.48%. SPX dropped 1.8%. German DAX 1.3%. Gold dropped 1.47%. And crude oil dropped 4%. Since Bitcoin's Wednesday open at 58,000, it's been a downward trend. As long as Bitcoin remains below this 5 EMA, it's expected that the trend is your friend. Historical data suggests September lows hit mid-month, with quad witching and rate cuts. There's potential for more movement. Now about September's performance. Only a 30% chance it ends positive. If it follows the trend, Bitcoin could dip to around 51,000. But let's not jump the gun. We're watching the charts closely. Here's the weekly chart. It's usually solid support, but we're on the second test. A break here could signal more drops. However, if Bitcoin stays below 56,000, expect any bounce to be temporary. Let's flip the chart upside down. From this angle, it's clear. We're in a bearish trend. And in this case, bearish means bullish. To wrap up, we're defensive as long as Bitcoin's below that 5 EMA. Watch 56,000. I'll keep you posted on any changes. Remember, timing is everything. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates. And see you in the next one.